A very good morning to all of you. So we are having another challenge to determine whether each of the sequence is a periodic signal or not. Okay, so if we look for the first question, that is x1 n equal to sine 6 pi n upon 7. Okay, so if we compare this by sine omega n, then we can say that omega will be equal to 6 pi upon 7. Okay, so in that case we can easily find the frequency, that is 2 pi f is equal to 6 pi upon 7. So this pi and this pi get cancelled out. In that case frequency f will be equal to 6 upon 2 into 7. It will be equal to 3 upon 7. So f will be equal to 3 upon 7. So if a signal is periodic, then the ratio of the frequency will be two integers. Okay, so here we are having a ratio, and we are getting the integer part. Okay, so that is f is the ratio of two integers, therefore this signal is a periodic signal. We can say that therefore f is the ratio of two integers so we can say that the signal is a periodic signal. Okay, so this is how we find whether a signal is periodic or not. Whenever we are having the frequency is an integer part, and we can say that the signal is periodic. Okay, so if we this portion is completed, if now we are heading towards x2n, that is sine n upon 8. So if we solve this problem, then we can compare this sine n by 8 by sine omega n. We can say that omega will be equal to 1 upon 8. Okay, in that case we can say that the 2 pi f will be equal to 1 upon 8, or frequency will be equal to 1 upon 2 pi 8. Okay, or we can say that 1 upon 16 pi. Now we are having f is equal to 1 upon 16 pi. So in that case we can say that the frequency f is not the ratio of the two integers. Since pi is a real number, therefore it is not a periodic signal. Okay, so we can write f is not the ratio of two integers. Since pi is a real number, therefore the signal is not periodic, not a periodic signal. Okay, so now you have seen that how we can get a signal periodic or non-periodic. We just have to compare the given signal by omega, and we have to find the frequency. If the ratio of the frequency is the ratio of two integers, then only we can say that the signal is periodic. And if the signal of the frequency, and if the frequency of the signal is not having the ratio as of two integers, then we can say that it is not a periodic signal. Here you can say that 1 upon 16 pi is coming, and here we are having 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is the ratio of two integers, but 1 upon 16 pi is not the ratio of two integers. Okay, so this is how we calculate the periodicity of a given signal. Thank you so much for listening.